English with Jeel Patel, Episode 3, Mastering English Grammar. Welcome back, language enthusiasts. You're listening to Learn English with Jeel Patel. In today's episode, we're delving into one of the pillars of language learning, grammar. Grammar forms the foundation of any language, including English. Understanding its nuances can significantly enhance your communication skills. So let's explore some effective strategies for mastering English grammar. Tip 1. Learn the basics. Start with the fundamentals of English grammar, such as sentence structure, parts of speech, verb tenses, and punctuation. Building a strong foundation will make more complex grammar concepts easier to grasp. Tip 2. Practice, practice, practice. Apply what you've learned by practicing grammar exercises regularly. Use grammar textbooks, online resources, or language learning apps to reinforce your understanding and improve your skills. Tip 3. Identify common mistakes. Pay attention to common grammar mistakes and learn how to avoid them. Understanding your weaknesses will help you focus your efforts on areas that need improvement. Tip 4. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from teachers, tutors, or language exchange partners. They can provide valuable insights and corrections to help you refine your grammar skills. Remember, mastering English grammar is a journey that requires dedication and persistence. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll continue to explore various aspects of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing and never stop learning. This is Jeel Patel, signing off. Goodbye and happy learning. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Jeel Patel. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more language learning tips and inspiration. See you in the next episode.